Good morning, students. I'm Himlata Patel, your English teacher. Welcomes you all for this video lecture. Students, in this video, we will see your chapter number 4, negative sentences, and your chapter number 26, using negative form. Let's see. So, students, we are going to see our negative sentences. In the previous lecture, we have seen that there are 4 types of sentences: assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now, we will see our of assertive sentences. Let's see. These assertive sentences, we are categorize it into 2 parts: affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Okay. So, what is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence means uh, positive sentence, okay, which is positive in nature. And we will see that some examples. My friends are coming to play with me. The guests are arriving now. He left the room quietly. She speaks French. Now, what is negative sentences? These negative sentences are contains that word like no, not, nobody, nothing, nowhere, none. See example. My friends are not coming to play with me. The guests are not arriving now. He did not leave the room quietly. She does not speak French. So students, you come to know that positive sentence is always positive by nature and negative sentence says are negative by nature. Now, positive sentence do not have any no. Okay, means no, not, none, nowhere, nothing. And in the negative sentence, it contains no, not, nobody. Now we will see how to frame negative sentences. It includes your 26th chapter. First, we will see the changing positive statement with helping verb. Okay, so you know what is helping verb? Helping verb which helps to the verb, okay, to clarify the meaning. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, how, can, could, shall, should, may, might. These are helping verbs. So it is very simple that when we are making negative sentence with this when helping verb is there, so we are just adding not there. Just see, I am playing. So what will be the answer? Negative. We are just am is a helping verb. So we have added here not. I am not playing. See here. Okay. Now some examples. They have shown interest in this project. Now have is a helping verb. So we have used not with that. So I have not shown interest. They have not shown interest in this project. See here, I am happy with my job. So this am is a helping verb. We used with that not. I am not happy with my job. All the children are celebrating Christmas. Are is helping verb. So now all the children are not celebrating Christmas. Is it clear? Now let's say move. Next. Now we will change when some words, okay, some sentences are singular, plural in the present tense. There are some important tips I want to give you. First, you have to find out tense, okay. The first is that is present tense, okay. So if the sentence is in a present tense, so you will find out first verb. What is verb there? Verb means action words. Then you have to find out What is subject? Subjects mean doer of action. Okay. Then we will move next step, that is we will use do not and does not. Now when we will use do not and when we will use does not, that is the main thing to remember. We will use does not for the singular subject and do not for the plural subject. And one thing you have to remember, that I and you, they are not following any rules. They are naughty like you. And for them, we are using do not. Now, let's see some example. So through example, you will come to know. See here. Now they study history. Now this they is a subject. Okay. So it's plural. Study. Okay. They study history. Now what we will do? We will use do not. Okay. Because it's plural. So what will come? They do not study history. I complete my work on time. I told I is naughty subject. So what will come? Do with that. So I do not complete my work on time. Okay. Here in that, in these sentences, we can see that helping verb is not there. And that's why we have to use this rule. Now next, that is see here. If the subject is singular, third person singular, he, she, it, mother, father, name, any name, Leela, like this. So let's see example. My mother cooks well. Okay. So here, my mother is a subject. It's a singular. Then we will see cooks. Now, when we are changing it, that time, we will use its main verb. Okay, what is main verb? Root verb, that is cook. So we will remove this S. Okay. So my mother, and we will use does here. So my mother does not. It's a negative sentence. That's why we have used here not. My mother does not cook well. Leela brings 2 pencils every day. Now Leela is also again singular. Brings. So what we will do? We will remove this S and the root word means main verb will be bring. So Leela does not bring 2 pencils every day. Now, I think you understand this, that when the subject is third person singular, so we will use does not and plus main verb. Next. So see here, main verb we have changed. If suppose it is played, okay. So what will their main verb? Play, like this. Plays, so play. Now we will see the third rule, that is when the sentence is in the past tense. So no worry, no tension, what is the subject? Simply you will use their did not. Okay? Not anything. See now. And with that, we will use our root word. Root form of the verb means main verb. See here, first root word played. Played's root word play. Slept root word sleep. Went root word go. Okay? Go, went, gone. Sleep, slept. Play, played. Like this. So we have to use main verb. Okay? Let's see some examples. See here. Didn't or did not. We will use. So RN, whatever the subject, no need to worry now. RN is whatever it is, singular or plural. RN wrote neatly. With the, when we will see this subjects, RN, we will see next, that is, what is verb? Verb is wrote. Okay. So what is main verb of that? Write. So what we will do? RN And here this wrote we will change right. And what we will use? Did not. So what will be the answer? Aaron did not write neatly. Okay? Did not write. Now children watched a nice movie. Now this watched we will change main verb watch. Okay? We will use main verb watch and did not. The children did not watch nice movie. Okay? Now next, that is, see here, they went to the market. Now went is a past tense here. So now main verb will come go, and before that we will use did not. So what will there? They did not go to the market. She explained the matter to her father. Now explained. So main verb explain, and before that we will use did not. She did not explain the matter to her father. Understand? Let's move. Now let's practice some more. See here. The boys are playing in the backyard. Now this are is helping verb given here. So we will just add here not. The boys are not playing, okay, are not playing in the backyard. You should speak loudly. Now should is helping verb here. So it's very simple. You should not speak loudly. They informed me of the program. So we will come to know what is tense here. Past form is there, is past tense. So what we will do? We will change it. They did not inform. We will use main verb. They did not inform me of the program. She seems. Now with the we can identify with the verb which tense is that. Seems means present tense. So what we will do? She does not. Okay, she does not seem, because we will use main verb. She does not seem to be thinking something. You talk like a boss. Now we want to make it negative. So here not any helping verb, so we will use do plus not, because for you we will use do. So you do not, here you do not talk, okay, like a boss. So I hope that you must be understand all that. Understood? Yes. So thank you so much. Take care.